How to log in to Zable credit card account online. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Zable's credit card account online. To do so, first of all, open any web browser of your choice on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once in the browser, in the search bar, here type in zable.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press on the enter key of your keyboard to search for it. Now, within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Zable. Once you reach this website, at the top right between the contact and apply now button, you'll be able to locate this login option. Now simply click on this login link and then a pop-up will appear. Now here you will need to click on this login to credit cards option. Simply click on it. And now you will be presented with the screen. Here you will need to enter your email address associated to your Zable account. Click on the box and there enter your email address. Once after entering your email address, now click on this login button right here. Soon after doing that, Zable will send a login link to your email. Go ahead and open your email. Simply open a new tab by clicking on the plus button at the top and then type in mail.google.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press on the enter key to search for it. Now you will be presented with your inbox. Here you will need to find the email sent by Zable. Once you locate the email, you just simply need to click on it, and inside it, here you'll be able to see this button login to my account. Now simply click on it to access your account directly. And after doing that, you'll be able to manage your card, which lets you to track spending, view your credit limit, and set up the autopay option. So by following these steps, you should be able to log in to your Zable's credit card account online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.